My queen, can you hear me?
I am alive.
Barely. We dragged you back to the Leviathan. Rest now. I will control the swarm until you are healed.
Why aren't you trying to...
Take the swarm for my own? Because I still have much to learn from you, my queen.
Enough. She is healing, but she must rest now.
Narod is dead and the hybrid lab is destroyed. I am the final loose end. I suppose you kill me now.
If you want to leave, I won't stop you.
Ha! Where would I go? Half man, half Zerg. A monster.
I understand. Believe me. Stay with the swarm, and perhaps the way will become clear.
If nothing else, it will be interesting.
The swarm was once Amon's tool. He will seek to use us again.
I will prepare for his coming, but not until I'm done with Mengsk.
Of course, my queen.
I'm coming for you, Mengsk, and you won't have any hybrid to protect you. Isha, take the Leviathan up. We're leaving.
Kerrigan, you saw something in that lab. In Narod's mind.
I saw Amon. Older than the universe, more powerful than I can understand. And now he's alive again.
Then he shall fall before the swarm, like all the rest.
We don't even know where he is. We must prepare for his coming, but I have a few scores to settle first. Inform the broodmothers. The swarm moves on Korhal. At last, Mengsk will suffer for his crimes. I'm going to Korhal. It's time.
Why are you telling us this, Kerrigan?
There will be ruin, destruction. Millions can die amid the chaos. Valerian, your people will need a leader.
You're right, Kerrigan. They will. If I'm to be that leader, I'll ask only one thing of you. Bring your swarm down outside the city. That will give us time to evacuate.
Korhal is going to be the most difficult battle of my life, and you're asking me to make it harder.
I am.
I was wrong about you, Valerian. You're not like your father. I'll give you your chance. Make the most of it.
I sense a broad frequency emanating from the palace in Augustgrad.
Yes, I sense it too. I can hear.
Dominion forces, this is your Emperor, Arcturus Mengsk. Korhal is under attack by the Zerg swarm. Our special weapons lab has been destroyed. Our defenses stripped. Any fleet that can hear my voice, return to Korhal. The seat of human power is under assault. Come, men. Defend your home.
Trapped like a rat in a cage, aren't you, Arcturus?
My queen, the swarm has assembled above Korhal. The brood mothers await your command.
Tell them to hold position in orbit. Stay out of range of the planet's defenses.
Dominion fleets are converging on our position. Terran troops are arriving from all over the sector.
Broodmother Kalisa, hear me. Have your Leviathans form a blockade. Kill anything coming into the system. Nothing will stop us. Korhal is mine.
I have never seen so many Terrans. They are pulling everything back to defend this world.
Their orbital defenses will kill millions of us before we even hit the ground.
The Terrans have no chance. We are numberless. We are the swarm.
I need a weapon to destroy Korhal's orbital defenses, and I need it fast.
Can modify virophage sequence. Would concentrate bile. Expel as projectile.
Can you get it working in time?
Survival of swarm dependent on evolution, iteration, trust process, trust sequences. Swarm will not fail.
The swarm is engaged with Korhal's orbital defenses. We are ready to begin the surface invasion. My queen, your Leviathans are in position.
Unleash the swarm.
We will lose countless drop pods in the opening moments.
We're sending millions. Even if only a fraction gets through, it'll still be more than enough to take out these orbital defenses from the ground.
Has broken through the orbital defense network.
Zerg! Blast it!
Dominion ground forces have secured this area. Our bile launchers cannot survive without support.
I'm going to handle this, personally. Send in all the drop pods. They should be centered around this region. Alert me the moment one breaks through. I'll make sure the launcher survives. Your queen listens.
The first bile launcher and its escort are entering Korhal's atmosphere.
Show me where it will land.
It will arrive here, my queen.
Will suffer. It is time. This world is mine. Retribution will be mine. Make your peace. Yes. Your queen listens.
Incoming transmission.
You've made a grave mistake. Setting foot on my world, Kerrigan. I will deliver you and your swarm back to whatever hell you crawled out of.
Retribution will be mine. Minsk will suffer. No time like the present. We are without limit. Speak. What is it this time? Yes.
The bile launcher is about to land. It will be vulnerable for a short period.
Our Minsk will suffer. It is time.
The Dominion's Draken defense network is destroying most of our bile launchers in orbit.
Which means we can't afford to lose the ones that get through. Yes. Speak.
Mutation complete.
We adapt. Boldly. No time like the present. Our conquest continues. I am the swarm. Yes. Make you... Make... Retribution will be... It is time.
We require more minerals.
Your queen listens. What is it this time? Speak. It is time. Minsk will suffer. What is it this time?
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Yes. Your queen listens.
The next bio launcher is breaking through Korhal's defenses.
Speak. No time present. Retribution. Your queen. Speak. Yes. What is it this time? It is time.
These gates lead to the Terran capital. Destroy them, and my brood can enter Augustgrad.
Good thinking. I'll break the gates open if I have time. Retribution.
The Hive cluster is under attack.
Minsk will suffer. Boldly. Make your peace. Your queen listens. We adapt. Make your peace. Our conquest continues.
Our queen has destroyed a gate. Move into the city. Forces are under attack.
No time like the present. I am the swarm. The swarm conquers all. Our conquest continues. Make your queen listens. Yes. I am the swarm. We adapt.
We require more respine gas.
Boldly. No time like the present. This world is mine. We adapt. Make your peace.
Spawn. Our forces are under attack.
Speak. It is time. We are without limit. Boldly. The swarm conquers all. Our conquest continues. Boldly. The swarm conquers all. Yes. We are without limit. It is time.
A bile launcher is about to arrive on Korhal's surface.
We require more respine gas.
Your queen listens. Retribution will be mine. Make your peace. What is it this time? Speak. This world is mine. Retribution will be mine. Make them suffer.
Our forces, we require Terran minerals.
Our conquest continues.
My queen, the next bile launcher is landing in hostile territory. The Dominion base must be destroyed to secure the landing area.
Sons of Korhal, eliminate the Queen of Blades.
Yes. What is it this time? Boldly. Retribution.
We require more minerals.
Speak. The swarm conquers all. Speak. No time like the present. This world is mine. What is it? Retribution.
Mutation complete.
We are without limit. Queen listens. It is time.
The hive cluster is under attack.
We adapt. Retribution will divine. Speak. Yes. We are without limit. Mengsk will suffer. It is time.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
What is it this time? We adapt. Our conquest continues. I am the swarm. I am the swarm. Boldly.
Another gate has fallen. Flood their pitiful city.
The next bile launcher is making landfall. Prepare for its defense.
Our forces are under attack.
Make your peace. It is time.
We require more minerals.
No time like the present. Retribution will be mine. We adapt.
Mutation complete. Mineral field depleted.
Speak. Yes. I am the swarm. The swarm conquers all.
Our forces are under attack. Cast peace at all creep.
Mengsk will suffer.
We require more under attack.
Boldly. It is time.
A bile launcher will make landfall here momentarily.
Make your peace. What is it this time? We are without limit. What is it this time? The swarm. Our conquest continues.
Our forces are under attack.
Mengsk will suffer. Retribution will be mine. I am the swarm. Boldly. Speak. The swarm conquers all. Your queen listens. The swarm conquers.
Mineral field depleted. Our forces are under attack.
Boldly.
Mineral field depleted.
Make your peace. What is it this time? The swarm conquers all.
Our forces are under attack.
Without limit. Retribution will be mine.
Mineral field depleted. The final gate has fallen. Move quickly!
Zagara, take your brood into the city while I secure the bile launchers.
Yes, my queen.
Night Wolves, you have your orders. Remove the Zerg threat.
What is it this time? Yes. We adapt. No time like the present. It is time. Make your peace.
The final bile launcher is about to arrive. Prepare for its defense.
Lee. Your queen listens. Our conquest continues.
Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
Yes. Your queen listens.
Our forces are under attack.
I am the swarm. Retribution.
Mineral field depleted.
Boldly.
Mineral field depleted.
I am the swarm. Our conquest continues. Retribution. Make your peace. Speak. This world is mine. Your
Korhal's defense cannons have been destroyed. The swarm is gathering on the surface.
destroy the Dominion's bases. Drive them into the city. Yes. It is time. We are without limit. Minsk will suffer. What is it this time?
Mutation complete.
Retribution will be mine. I am the Swarm.
Dominion forces are in full retreat.
Isha, have my broodmothers deploy their forces. Zagara, move your brood further into the city. Take up positions around the palace.
Yes, my queen.
It's time to dethrone an emperor.